Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a discount on Fofana, but before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Fofana deals for 2026. Without further ado, let's begin. First, go to the Fofana website and browse the available products. Take some time to explore the different categories including truck tents, outdoor shelters, and camping accessories to find the products that best suit your needs. Once you've found the items you want, select any available options such as size, color, or model, then add them to your cart. Before checking out, look around the homepage for promotional banners, limited time offers, or seasonal sales. Fofana frequently runs special promotions that can help you save on your purchase. You can also sign up for the Fofana email newsletter to receive updates about new products, exclusive discounts, and upcoming sales events. If a welcome offer is available for new customers, check your email for a discount code before completing your order. Now open your shopping cart and review the items you've selected. Proceed to the checkout page and look for the promo code or discount code field. If you have a valid coupon code, enter it and click apply. Make sure the discount is reflected in your order total before continuing. You may also want to check for bundle deals or special offers on products like the Fofana truck tent and Fofana pod, which may provide additional savings when purchased together. Review your order carefully, including product details, shipping charges, taxes, and any discounts that have been applied. After that, enter your shipping and payment information. Double check that everything is correct and that your savings have been applied successfully. Then complete your purchase using your preferred payment method. After placing your order, keep an eye on your email for future promotions, exclusive offers, and limited-time coupon codes. You can also follow Fofana on social media to stay updated on product launches, seasonal sales, giveaways, and other opportunities to save on future purchases. Before making another purchase, check the official Fofana website again, as new promotions and discount offers are added from time to time. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Fofana deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.